Are you excited?
Yeah, let's see what
Yes, yeah. Nanay, are you excited?
Dating mamama yung lalabas.
Yeah.
Oh, tickets.
Yeah. Let's get
I want to
it.
see giant panda. Yeah. It's not the giant panda. It's the giant panda forest. Yeah. It has a panda.
Let's go, let's do this.
It should be.
Let's go here. Let's go.
The cherry? Oh, yeah, it's a cherry.
Is it?
Is it cherry?
Malalaki sa ano, arating.
No.
Is it not?
The cherry, I know, it used to be.
Yung parang arating.
Maghanap na tayo ng animals, guys. Oh! First animal here. May, look at that, oh.
Look downstairs.
Ah, there's a human. There's a human.
Ayun o.
There it is, nanay, oh. No? At the side. Wow. Cutie.
Magawa ng bahay sa ano.
Beaver po ata yan. Ano pa? Cutie.
Parang pusang gala.
They're so big.
Yeah,
I have seen small one in Singapore Zoo.
yeah?
Just small.
This one is big as you.
Yeah, just small like this, oh.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
So pop.
Yeah. Wow.
It's coming here.
Kuya, this is you. Naya, fish. Aya, pagi. Ang ganda. What's the English for pagi? Stingray, yeah, forgot. It's black. Wow.
There are fish too inside.
Yeah. There. Oh.
Looks like a pot holder.
Yeah. Doormat.
This one is coming at you.
It is so huge. Wow. Wow. Yeah, yeah. They're so big.
That's Arakaima? No. This is a fish pond.
Yeah.
That's one thing.
Uh-huh. Marami pa po sa loob. Let's go! Maghanap pa tayo ng fish. Ayan po, oh. Ayan mo.
Yun?
This one, the black one, nanay. You can see.
Ah, ito.
Yeah. Yes.
Anong pinagdan niya? Ito, yung ating isinigang.
Oo nga.
Ay, ito yung sinigang ni nanay.
Sap-sap.
It's not sapsap.
Pero hindi yan.
Sap-sap.
Ano ka lang yan?
It's not sapsap.
Ito yung ganito.
Wow! Wow!
Holding for us. Yeah.
Upside down. They are so huge. Come on, baby. Hi.
Hindi na ako po ay basa nyo na lang natin.
May nakatihaya sila, no?
Ay, hindi ayan. Okay. Uy, nga pa different eh. Bakit ba
Yeah,
may
buddy.
kaya sila?
Basta na. Hindi na, ganun talaga siya.
Ay, ganun pala. Yung isa yung...
Oh, ito.
Matihaya siya.
Ano eh, nagpapapansin sa atin eh. Oh.
Yun yung madalas ako pagkama lang. Dami yun. They are curious too. They are coming to us. Nay, di ka.
Si aquarium.
Alwana.
So big.
One more. One, two. It's the big one. Yet that killer catfish.
Look. It's much bigger. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
This is the oldest.
Naglakad na. Nakapaglakad na siya. Go, nanay. Nanay. What is in there? What can you see in there?
I see myself.
There's nothing though. Babe. Hi. Oh. Nay, look at that. So big. Electric eel. Wow.
My pose.
It is called water frog. Ah, it looks like tadpoles.
Called Titicaca. Yeah, here.
Ah, this one! Not this! Bobo! This one!
Ayun, ayun.
Tingin, tingin.
Parang bato, no?
Tingin.
Dali, dali.
Hi!
Tayo. Parang mga bato na. Double.
The picture.
Ah, yeah. Yeah.
Ooh.
O, diba? Si Kuya Ato na yung naka-wheelchair.
Picture na dali, dali. Yan, meron na. Tingin na dito. Shy. Oh. Salute.
It's a loop. Yeah. Go, nanay. Go, nanay.
Like a ride.
Tuwa siya.
It doesn't move.
It is real.
It doesn't move. Don't.
Ito ba yan?
Yes, nanay. Here's a turtle, ah.
Oh no! Oh my God!
Ang kulit.
On my class, it's like on roller coaster. Oh, see, it's real. That one.
Ito ba yan?
I don't know the studio's work. It's really
Oh, there's a turtle. Oh, nanay, look. There, oh.
You didn't see that one?
I saw it already. What is it?
Happy bar.
Oh!
Happy bar. Okay, capybara.
Cutie.
Capybara, capybara, capybara. Huh? I know, it's nothing.
Thank you.
Oh, drink.
It's okay.
Ano yan? Ay, cute niya.
No touching. No.
Cute.
Hi.
So cute.
Babe, it looks like you.
You find everything similar to me. Look.
Yeah.
It's a male. I don't like that.
Oh, there it is. Oh,
There.
look at that.
You buy iCloud store already. It's a rat. It's capybara, the smaller one. No, it's not daga.
It's a rat. It looks like rats,
No.
though. Big one, no? Cute.
one more. Oh,
Wow.
hello.
Hi. Be careful in opening the door, ha? It might escape.
Pasabayan tayo.
Hey, baby. Get down in there.
Down on the exit.
We need to go out. Look at that. Wow. Huge.
Record.
Why are you shouting at me?
Because you're gonna miss it.
Hi.
What's it?
So, wow.
It moves. Looks like a shark. Yeah. Cheers.
It's so cute. Wow. We're on our way to Giant Panda. Let's go. Let's do this.
Press.
Oh, ang lamig. It's too cold.
There's the red panda.
Where? Where? Oh, what are these? Cutie! Parang ano lang po, stuffed toy lang. Cute. Hey, panda.
All panda is
What?
it's from all in China.
Siyempre daw. Ang cute. Very cutesy.
Pwede po kung gagawa. Look at our government.
These are our government officials.
Senator.
The buwaya. There, oh.
It's crocodile.
Crocodile.
Ah, it's a hyena. Hyena natin. Asian swamp deer. Sarap yan.
Oh, crab.
It's a mad skipper. That's a mad skipper.
A what?
A mad skipper.
big.
No, no, just take it. That's before we check out.
Yeah, later tonight then before we. It's so big. Oh wow, it's gold. Nanay. We're done. Done. Let's go home. Yeah, we did it. Yeah.
Let's go out.
Yeah.